Nintendo time. That's what you guys probably really want to see. So, yeah, Nintendo's 31 years old. Or at least its copyright's 31 years old. That World Cup soccer. Screw just popped on that. Now, from what I remember when I took it apart before, you're going to want to make sure you know where the screws go. I don't think these 6 matter, but inside you're going to want to make sure you know where they go, because they could be different sizes, etc. So what I did is I got a new 72-bit connector. It was only $10, just to see if I could resurrect this thing. You got 1 screw there. Being a pain in the ass. I'm gonna take this metal plate off next. So, what I'm gonna do is gonna take all these screws, throw them in here. That way I don't lose them. Assuming I didn't already lose some. Which I don't think I did. So I gotta get in here. So next thing, gonna work on this plate here. Big ass metal plate. Let's take that, move that over there. Not very comfortable on the floor here, guys. There we go. Now these you're gonna want to keep in some sort of order. So what I normally recommend is you lay them out on a surface in the pattern that you took them apart. You know, it'll keep from confusion. If you have different colors, different length screws, it's very effective in being able to tell them apart. Once I get this thing off, I'm almost there. I think the one day I was messing with this, I took it apart like 4 or 5 times. Like I had it working nice. And then next day I turned it on and no go. So, and then it's sporadic. So we're gonna try the connector here. If that don't work, it's probably a board issue. Remember, this thing was difficult to fit in there. There's some possible melting on the board in different areas. Unfortunately, you know, as kids, we beat the shit out of this thing. Like, literally. Just fucking used it. Left it on for hours. Probably leave it paused for hours at a time. Without even thinking twice. This thing like hooks under this little lip. Hard to see. Yeah, there's a little lip underneath this thing. That's got to slide right underneath. And there's your 72-bit connector. Let's get a little closer for you. The lighting might not be the best, but it is what it is right now. Let's get this closer. Better? A little better. 72-bit connector here. So I need to get that out. So look here. This little looks like burning, etc. So now I'm going to take off the tray. Short because it only goes through the two things. The other one goes down into the board, through the board. It's been a while since I messed with this, so really not that sure what comes up. I think the whole board's going to come up soon. I'd rather just take this off, but I don't know if I can. Yeah, I remember that. It was like some weird way to get this fucking thing off. Yeah, just line that up. There we go. Alright, there's the back of the board. I'm not even gonna take the whole thing out because there's no point. And you know what? I'll just take the board up. This here is your 72-bit connector. This normally is what causes the problems with these here Super Nintendos. I did, tried like everything, boil it, clean it with some, 100% alcohol. No matter what, still issues. So I'll try again with the new one. Hope for the best. So let's grab that doohickey. Comes in a little baggie. I think it was like $10 or less. You know, this might not even help the issue if the thing's already gone. Yeah, it looks almost identical. Looks identical to the other one. Almost like Nintendo's out there still cranking these out. See, this gotta go underneath, which I cannot see, so. Alright, we're still trying to figure the best way to do this. There we go. And that's approximate. Now I gotta get the 72-bit connector in. And bam. See, patience. Patience is what it takes sometimes. See how this goes. But that is done. We're going to plug it in a second. And we test it out. See if we get any color. See if the games play easily. Or if I get like issues loading the games. The color's still there. Maybe it's my cable. Who knows? But let's do it up. Alright, we'll try World Cup Soccer. Because this didn't work. That fit tightly. That's right. Unplug the brick. Alright, the LED light's not blinking. That was doing that the other day too. No blinky red light. Let's change the TV component and see if we can get some gameplay going. Okay, no problem. As you can see. Just not, it's in black and white. It's not in color. So it's probably my cable or my TV can't take the old connection. But Nintendo seems to be working great now with a new 72-bit connector. So if your games aren't starting, I would recommend just going on the Amazon, buying a 72-bit connector, 72-pin connector, and yeah, just put it in your Nintendo and it should work. Alright guys, have a good one.